Mr. Harrell, I just want to say how much I appreciate that you're dressed appropriately for court and that you realize this is a professional setting. I greatly appreciate that. CR 7886, State of Texas versus Deontay Harrell. And are you Mr. Harrell?
Yes, Your Honor.
Mr. Harrell, I'm showing you what's entitled Motion to Revoke Community Supervision. Did you review that document with your attorney? Did you?
Yes.
Are you the same Deontay Marquise Harrell who was placed on community supervision in cause number 2017 CR 7886 for the offense of assault, family choking, strangulation on May 2nd, 2019 for a term of 10 years? Is that you?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, state.
Violated condition number 2, on or about the 14th day of October 2021 in Bexar County, Texas. The defendant, Deontay Marquise Harrell, did then and there use an illegal substance, namely marijuana, in violation of condition number 2.
How do you plead to that, true or not true?
True, Your Honor.
State.
Violated condition number 5, in Bexar County, Texas. The defendant, Deontay Marquise Harrell, did then and there fail to report to the supervision officer as directed for the months of November or December in violation of condition number 5.
How do you plead to that, true or not true?
True, Your Honor.
Violated condition number 15G, on or about the 11th day of January 2022 in Bexar County, Texas. The defendant, Deontay Marquise Harrell, did then and there fail to apply for or provide documentation of attendance and comply with all rules, regulations, instructions, and financial agreements as directed by the court and or supervision officer or the head of authorized personnel of the following program, Batters Intervention Prevention Program, in violation number 15G.
How do you plead to that, true or not true?
True, Your Honor.
All right, Mr. Harrell, did you understand by pleading true to violation of conditions 2, 5, and 15G, the court could find it true, grant the motion, find you guilty, and sentence you up to 10 years in prison and up to a $10,000 fine? Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Knowing that, do you still wish to plead true to violations 2, 5, and 15G?
Yes, ma'am.
Court will find 2, 5, and 15G true. Is there an agreement?
Yes, Your Honor. We ask that you deny the state's motion to revoke and you alter and amend the conditions to include register for BIP course within 10 days, drug patch for 90 days, and weekly reporting for 90 days.
Mr. Harrell, I have a few questions for you. Can you raise your right hand for me? Do you solemnly swear or affirm the testimony you give will be the truth and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, you can lower your hand. With regards to the BIP classes, does that have to do with finances? Can you afford the BIP class? What's going on?
Unfortunately, my counselor had a 2-day, he took 2 days off and he made it a double class, and I ended up missing that double class. So it ended up taking 2 days away from the 3 days that I did have. So it's more just an attendance thing. Okay.
Now then, the other thing is with regards to the drug issue. What are you using and why?
Marijuana, Your Honor, and I don't really have an excuse other than stress and PTSD and OCD.
So, Mr. Harrell, has probation helped you with any type of mental health issues? Or are you seeing someone?
Currently, I am not seeing anybody.
Okay. Okay. All right. This is what the court will do. The court will deny the motion, alter and amend conditions. You're to re-enroll in BIP within 10 days. Do you understand, Mr. Harrell?
Yes, I am already enrolled, Your Honor.
Thank you. And when's the last time you used drugs?
It has been over a month now.
All right. So we're going to do testing for levels. And then once those levels are at 0 or negative, we'll put you on regular testing.
Okay.
And then we're going to do a referral for Center for Healthcare Services. Are you employed?
I am, Your Honor.
What do you do?
I am a manager at 7-Eleven.
Okay. So we're going to do a referral for Center for Healthcare Services just to see if you need any help with any other issues. Okay, Mr. Harrell?
Yes, ma'am.
Mr. Harrell, is there anything else you need from the court?
No, ma'am.
All right, then we will close the record. Court is calling 2017 CR 7886 State versus Deontay Harrell. Can I have parties announced?
Rick Pena for the state of Texas.
Abelardo Garza for the defendant.
And are you Mr. Harrell?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you review the document entitled Motion to Revoke Community Supervision with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you the same Deontay Marquise Harrell who was placed on community supervision in 2017 CR 7886 for the offense of assault, family choking, strangulation on May 29th, on May 2nd, 2019 for a term of 10 years? Is that you?
Yes, ma'am.
State?
Yes, Your Honor. Violation of condition number 2. On or about the 11th day of January 2023 in Bexar County, Texas, the defendant, Deontay Marquise Harrell, did then and there fail to submit to drug testing as directed by the supervision officer and or a duly authorized agent of the court in violation of condition number 2.
How do you plead to that? True or not true?
True. Violation of condition number 2. On or about the 22nd day of March 2023 in Bexar County, Texas, the defendant, Deontay Marquise Harrell, did then and there fail to submit to drug testing as directed by the supervision officer and or a duly authorized agent of the court in violation of condition number 2.
How do you plead to that? True or not true?
True. Violation of condition number 2. On or about the 8th day of June 2023 in Bexar County, Texas, the defendant, Deontay Marquise Harrell, did then and there fail to submit to drug testing as directed by the supervision officer and or a duly authorized agent of the court in violation of condition number 2.
How do you plead to that?
True. The state will waive the other violations, Your Honor.
Any objection?
No objection, Judge.
All right. Did you understand by pleading to that, those violations, the court could find it true, grant the motion, sentence you up to 10 years in the prison?
Yes, ma'am.
Knowing that, do you still wish to plead true to violations of 2, 2, and 2?
Yes, ma'am.
Court will find 2, 2, and 2 true. Is there a proposed agreement?
There is, Your Honor. That is to deny the motion, alter and amend conditions to add safe P followed by safe P aftercare.
All right, the court is not going to follow that agreement. This is his 5th motion to revoke. And each time the issues have been, they've tried to address those issues. Before I was judge, there was a motion to revoke in 2018, a violation of condition number 2. So that judge gave you intensive outpatient treatment. Then in 2018, there was another violation that you pled true to, a violation of condition number 1. That judge gave you 0 tolerance. And then on May 1st, 2019 with me, there was a violation of 18, 22, and 23. And on that date, the court found you guilty because you were previously on deferred. So the court ordered conditions that would help you be rehabilitated. Then you came back on March 28, 2022. There's a violation of 2, 5, and 15G. And the court did a referral to Center for Healthcare Services. And now we're back here with the same violations. There's nothing else left that the court can do. So the court is finding 2, 2, and 2 true, and the court is going to revoke. What is the request for time?
We'll defer. I may have 1 second, Sean.
Yes. All right, state, what are you requesting for time? Or if you're not requesting any, I'll make a
They
ruling.
will ask for 10 years, Your Honor.
All right, defense, what are you requesting?
Your Honor, we're asking for 3.
All right. So the court is going to revoke. The court is going to sentence you to 6 years in the prison. The court will give you credit for any time served. Just one moment. Family violence in the therapeutic community. Did you review the document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it? All right, because this is not a plea bargain agreement, you do have a limited right to appeal. That right to appeal is as it relates to the allegations in the motion, not the fact that you are on community supervision. Because this is a felony conviction and an affirmative finding of family violence, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question about that, you'll need to speak to an attorney. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, and also there's to be no residing in any household with minors. All right, good luck to you.
Thank you. That would be excused.
Yes.